4-way pallet is built for forklift and pallet jack access from all 4 sides, offering excellent flexibility in loading, storage, and material handling. It features notched stringers for strength and smooth maneuverability. Additional stringers can be added for extra support, depending on the weight and type of load. Commonly used sizes include 48 by 40 inches, 42 by 42 inches, and 48 by 48 inches, making them suitable for a wide range of warehouse and shipping needs. Custom sizes are also available to match specific applications, ideal for racking systems, automated environments, and high turnover operations.